Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving an issue you're having with your WhatsApp desktop application crashing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So assuming you've downloaded it through the Microsoft Store, that's going to be the first way we're going to go about trying to resolve this problem. And we're going to start by opening up the search icon, type in Microsoft Store. Best results should come back with Microsoft Store. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the left side, select the library. And now select the Get Updates button. And once it's done, you should be able to go ahead and close out of here. And I would suggest restarting your computer. And then hopefully that should have resolved the problem. If you're still having an issue, we can attempt to reinstall WhatsApp. So in order to do that, just open up the search menu, type in apps and features. Best result should come back with apps and features. Go ahead and open that up. You want to go on the right side where it says app list and click inside this field and type in WhatsApp. Best result should come back with WhatsApp. Go ahead and click the three-dotted icon next to it and select uninstall. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. Select uninstall. And then once you've done that, close out of here. Open up the search menu, type in Microsoft Store. Go ahead and open that up. And now in the top field, type in What's App and go ahead and open that up. And go ahead and select the Get button. It's about 150 megabyte download, so it should not take you very long to download it. And then select Open. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Go ahead and sign in at that point, and that should be about it. So hopefully I was able to resolve your WhatsApp issues. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.